as promised, portrait hack with cyanotyping, and this was an overexposure. So instead of giving up, we pushed forward. Have you ever felt like giving up on an artwork? Whoa, it's the worst. Here we tried carbon paper and we did the portrait hack, which you all know and love. And great news, cyanotyping is now in portrait class, so check that out and say art below if you want in there. You know it, we added some florals because it's spring and a big pop of color for our new collection. This is a So Flat Golden, which I totally love this color. Added pastels and some colored pencils for a little bit of warmth and a pop of blue, and found the cutest frame, so swipe right to see more of this process. So today I'm going to show you another way to use the portrait hack, and that is carbon paper, which you can get for $10 for 100 sheets on our Amazon shop. I don't love it as much, I have to say, as our traditional method. I'm just going to do some markers so I can figure out where we are on this image to make sure I'm in the right place-ish. Have to go up and down, over to the left. I actually am going to tape this onto my sheet like this. Oh. So I have done most of the drawing. You can use the side of your tool to get the shading. And then the tip of your tool for like fine lines. I'll get a gorgeous little transfer. I'm ready to start sketching with colored pencils next, and then I'm going to add paint, and I've actually made this round to go into a little round frame, so I'm really excited about that. Yeah, I think I'll add in some florals as well. Tried to keep it really loose, fun. You can kind of see them all over, if that makes sense. Or maybe you can't. Maybe that's just me.